Have you ever noticed how some guys can be good looking, well dressed, even charming, and women still walk away from the date feeling absolutely nothing? Meanwhile, another guy who isn't trying nearly as hard can make a woman feel instantly at ease, and suddenly the whole vibe shifts. There's actually data that explains this. In a huge national survey from Match, over 5,000 singles were asked what matters most on a first date, and nearly 8 out of 10 women said the most important thing, more than being impressed, more than being excited, even more than feeling liked by the guy, was simply feeling comfortable. That one word says everything. Because from a woman's perspective here, when women talk about comfort, they're really talking about safety, not just physical safety, but emotional safety. That sense of, I can breathe around this person. And the reason so many guys get this wrong is because they're trying to be memorable or impressive or interesting, but they're not tuned into whether she actually feels at ease in their presence. If you're new here, hi, I'm Courtney Ryan, and in today's video, I want to break down what really makes a man feel safe to women. Not the cliches that you've heard before, but the deeper signals, the subtle behaviors, and the mindset shifts that genuinely change how a woman perceives you. Once you understand this, I think everything else in dating will feel a little bit easier. The connection, the conversation, all of it starts here. So let's get started. The first thing on my list here today is emotional predictability. When women talk about feeling safe with a man, they're usually describing emotional safety more than anything else. And emotional safety really starts with predictability. Not boring predictability, just the sense that your reactions and your energy are steady and stable. A woman wants to know the man she's getting from one moment to the next is basically the same person. If you're warm and attentive one day and distant or irritated the next, or if your mood flips unexpectedly, she feels like she has to sort of brace herself around you. And that is when she's going to tense up, overthink everything she's saying, or start trying to manage your emotions for you, which is not a good thing. But when a man has this calm consistency, everything changes. She knows your general temperament. She knows that you don't lash out, withdraw suddenly, give the silent treatment, or turn cold without explanation. She doesn't feel like she has to walk on eggshells around you. That steadiness might seem really subtle to you as a man, but to women, it is a massive signal of safety. This is why anxious texting patterns, emotional whiplash, love bombing, and then pulling away, all of those behaviors instantly make a woman feel unsafe, because deep down, predictability is what tells her, I can let my guard down here. And that is the foundation for any connection that feels good to her. When it comes to making a woman feel safe, consistency and emotional steadiness are key, but that kind of reliability starts with really knowing yourself. Understanding your own patterns, managing your reactions, and building self-discipline are what allow you to show up the same way every day, not just for others, but for yourself too. And building that kind of consistency in your life doesn't happen overnight. Most New Year's resolutions fade by February, right? But real change doesn't come from trying to become a completely new person. It comes from small, consistent habits that add up over time. For me, one habit that's made a huge difference this past year in 2025 is working out consistently. It's not just about looking better, it's about feeling stronger, managing stress, and keeping the promises that I make to myself. I went into 2025 with a focus on self-discipline, and making daily exercise a part of my routine has been a total game changer. It's helped me carry that same focus and consistency into every other part of my life too. Therapy works in the same way. It's not a quick fix, but a steady practice that helps you understand your patterns, process your emotions, and build real, lasting support for your well-being. Today's sponsor, BetterHelp, makes that easy to start. You fill out a short questionnaire, and in just a few days, you're matched with a licensed therapist based on your preferences and their expertise. And if it's not the right fit, you can switch therapists anytime at no extra cost. Over 6 million people have trusted BetterHelp to get support, and it's a simple, approachable way to make 2026 a year of real growth. So click the link in the description or go to betterhelp.com/CourtneyRyan and get 10% off your first month of therapy. Number 2, presence instead of performance. Presence is one of the most attractive and safe feeling qualities that a man can have, and it's something that most guys don't even realize that they're missing. A lot of men slip into performance mode on dates without ever noticing. They're trying to be funny, they're trying to be charming, they're trying to fill every moment of silence. And even though their intention is probably good, the effect is the opposite. It makes the moment feel pressured and a little bit chaotic, because she can tell that you're trying to control how she perceives you. Women can relax around men who are simply present. That means that you're listening to her deeply rather than waiting to jump in with something impressive. You're taking breaths. You're not rushing the pace of the date or overloading the conversation out of nervousness. You're not overly tense or scanning her face for validation with every single sentence. Presence communicates confidence. Performance communicates insecurity. When you're truly present, she feels like she can just settle in. She doesn't feel like she has to match your energy or react a certain way to make you feel okay. It gives the entire interaction this sort of grounded, calm tone, and that's where real connection starts. Number 3, respecting boundaries in a natural, normal way. Women feel incredibly safe when a man knows how to respect boundaries without making things awkward or overly formal. There's a way to be considerate without being stiff. It's about noticing her cues, the way she shifts her body if she feels uncomfortable, the way her tone changes when she needs space, the signals she gives when she's not ready to move further physically or emotionally. But it's also about how you respond to those cues. Safe men don't take boundaries personally or turn them into a moment. They just flow with the pace that she's comfortable with. When she sees that you won't push, pressure, or guilt trip, she immediately will trust you more. What a lot of men also don't realize here is that women feel even safer when you have boundaries too. A guy who just goes along with everything she says, who never expresses his own needs, and who avoids conflict at all costs doesn't actually make her feel more comfortable. He makes her feel like she's responsible for all of his emotions. Women feel more comfortable around men who can hold their own space and stay in line with their values. Number 4, clear, calm communication. Communication is one of the biggest predictors of whether a woman feels safe because confusion creates anxiety. And when a woman is anxious, she can't relax into the connection with you. A man who communicates clearly without being overly intense or overly distant creates this sense of stability. If something comes up in his schedule, he says so. If he likes her, he expresses it in a balanced way. If he needs time to think about something, he communicates that instead of ghosting. And it's not about constantly updating her or blowing up her phone. It's just about not leaving her in the dark. Women feel unsafe around men who give mixed signals. The warm one minute, cold the next dynamic makes her feel like she's guessing, and guessing never feels comfortable. But when your communication style is calm, steady, and honest, she doesn't have to decode everything that you're doing. She doesn't have to worry that you're playing games or hiding something. She can simply just be present with you because she feels like the foundation is solid. Number 5, a man's relationship with anger and frustration. Now, this is one of the biggest and least talked about areas where women decide whether a man feels safe or not. Women watch very closely how men respond to stress. If you get irritated over tiny things, you slam doors, you raise your voice, you tense your body, or you snap at people, even if it seems minor to you, it is a huge red flag to her and probably to everyone else because she's thinking, if this is how he reacts to traffic or a wrong order, what happens when something bigger comes along? Contrary to popular belief, women don't need men to be emotionless. They just need to feel like your emotions don't control you. A man who can acknowledge frustration without losing control is incredibly calming to be around. It's not about suppressing anger. It's just about regulating it. And this is where men can stand out instantly. If you can stay composed under pressure, if your tone stays steady, if you handle setbacks with patience and perspective, she feels like she's around someone safe, someone reliable, someone who won't turn volatile when things get challenging. That steadiness is unbelievably attractive to women, and I promise you, we notice. Number 6, how he moves through the world. Women pay attention to how a man treats people that he doesn't necessarily need anything from. How he speaks to service workers, how he reacts when someone bumps into him, how he handles minor inconveniences, similar to what I mentioned in the last point. Your everyday behavior sends a louder message than anything that you directly say to her. When a man is respectful, polite, and kind to people around him, not performatively, but naturally, it gives her a sense of what life with him could feel like. A guy who's patient with a slow cashier or understanding about a mistake on an order communicates so much more than he realizes. Those small behaviors tell her this is someone who doesn't escalate unnecessarily. This is someone who won't try to dominate a situation just to feel powerful. This is someone that I can trust. Safe men move through the world with self-control, empathy, and awareness, and that makes women feel protected without feeling controlled. It is an incredibly powerful combination. So making a woman feel safe isn't about being overly gentle, overly agreeable, or trying to be this perfect guy. It's about being steady, present, communicating, being emotionally aware. I think when a woman feels safe, she can actually show up fully. She becomes lighter, softer, more open, more connected, and that is what creates connection and attraction attraction that last. Most men focus on their looks, their jokes, or their confidence, but emotional safety is the thing that actually makes a woman want to stay. And when you can embody these qualities sincerely, you immediately separate yourself from almost every other man. So guys, that is all I have for this one. If you liked it or found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be in the loop for when I release new content. I would love to hear from you guys down below. What are some things you do to make women feel more comfortable or safe around you? Again, I just wanted to provide a woman's perspective on this and really just try to drive home how important this is to make a woman feel. I've mentioned it in previous videos before, but I thought it was important enough that it deserved its own video. So would love to hear from you guys down in the comments if you're open to sharing per usual. If you haven't already, also be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Courtney Christine Ryan. I love connecting with all of you guys over on there as well. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.